This is how to compile in Overleaf. Go to Overleaf and from your project dashboard, you can select an existing project or you can create a new one. Let's say we will create a new one. Let's start with a blank project. Let's say compile and click create. Then we will delete everything and paste an example. Then you can see here recompile. Just click this one. And you have just used recompile. And if you want to automatically recompile your project, just click this drop down icon right here. And you can select the turn on auto compile. And once you have edited something, let's say this is a test and the recompile button automatically recompiles your LaTeX project. So this is how to compile in Overleaf.